Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to fix your TikTok not working or loading properly problem. So basically when this problem occurs, if you try to open TikTok, it's gonna take a long time to open TikTok, and even if your TikTok opens, the video is not gonna play. It's just gonna keep on loading and loading for a long time. So this video is just for you because I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can fix this problem. So watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix it. And yeah, be sure to hit that like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, because it helps our channel to grow as well. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, make sure your internet connection is stable, because this problem may arise if your internet connection is slow. So make sure your internet connection is fast enough. Make sure it's right above like 10 Mbps or at least 5 Mbps. If it is lower than 5 Mbps, then yeah, it's probably your internet speed that's like, slow. That's why TikTok is not able to load the videos. So make sure your internet connection is stable. And the other thing is, sometimes it's a bug with TikTok, and the basic way to fix it is, just like close TikTok like this and reopen it again. Like, it's not gonna fix it like most of the time, but sometimes it fixes it. So there's nothing bad with trying it. And if it still doesn't work, what you can do is, go out of TikTok, close TikTok like this, hold on TikTok app, and then this screen opens up. Once this screen opens up, click on app info. Once you're in app info, you can go on storage usage over here. Once you're in your storage usage, click on clear data and click on clear. What this is going to do is clear all the cache and data stored on your phone by TikTok, and it's going to reset all the core system of TikTok. Basically, it's like deleting and reinstalling TikTok. And after you do that, you can close this. Once you close this, open TikTok and log into your account, because after you clear data, you are going to be logged out of TikTok. So you need to log into your TikTok account. As you guys see in the screen, I need to do whatever thing I need to do when I install my TikTok. So this is like a brand new TikTok for me right now. You can click on me and sign into my account, and it should probably fix this problem. So yeah, these are the ways on how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a nice day. And yeah, if you guys have any question, you can drop it down in the comment. I'll answer you guys. Have a nice day.